Ooh. Hi guys, so I'm just going to quickly unbox this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got it from one of my friends. His name is Jabulani Express. I'm going to leave his handle on the screen. Okay, so he gave me this free pouch. Thank you. And this is the main phone itself. I bought 256 gig in Pacific Blue. Yeah, so I also got an AirPod Pro. Like, I've been wanting to buy this for a very long time, but for some reason I didn't. And this is the charger I bought. I don't know, but it said this is the original charger. Okay, that's all. We have this thank you card. Thank you for choosing and supporting Jabulani Express. Till we see again, enjoy your device. Okay, yeah, so this is the main phone, Pacific Blue, and we have iPhone 12 Pro Max here at the back. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to open it up. Ooh. Whoa, like this is, I think this is like the finest color aside from maybe the gold. I kind of really like the blue. I really do like the blue. So yeah, looks like this. And we're just going to open it up. Wow. Yeah, so this is it. This is what the Pacific Blue looks like. And you know, it has blue here as well. All of these parts are blue, but the blue is just a little bit different. And wow, this is really nice. We have the power button by the side. This should be the power button. This is the volume button. This is the, what's this thing called, silence to vibrate stuff. Yeah, and the charging port. Yeah, so let's just power the phone on. Wow, I really love this phone. Okay, let's wait for it to come on. Can you see? I found. Okay, while we wait for it, okay, it says hola. Yes, so hello, that's what it means. I'll have to do like some settings on it, which I don't think I can do right now because I need to charge it. So let's try the pouch that came with it. This is a free gift, so I can't even complain. He gave me a silicone pouch. Well, it's better than nothing. Okay. Hello. Hola. I don't know, am I supposed to? Oh, yeah. Okay, so English. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to click on Nigeria. Nigeria, setting language. But this is really sleek. Quick start, sell manually. Choose another network. I'm gonna have to do this later. So I don't know. Basically, this is what it looks like anyway. I think the settings will be done when I'm properly seated instead of like I'm supposed to connect to hotspot or something. Yeah, so basically this is what it looks like, and it's just a quick unboxing video because I thought I should share. in case you've been wanting to buy this phone. Like, I chose this phone over a camera, trust me, that is a different story for another day, but I think it's worth the money, I must say. Yeah, so let me just quickly show you the charger that came with it. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so this is the charger. Yeah. Oh, this one is supposed to come. Oh yeah, it came with this cord. This is the cord that came with it. Yeah, so I'm still going to buy an extra cord, I'm very sure. Okay, so that's basically what it came with. I don't know why Apple did this to us, but bro, it also came with the SIM changer and this Apple logo. So I'm probably going to stick this to my laptop so I can be dreaming of buying a MacBook very soon. Yeah, so that's basically what it comes with. Let's put this back. Now let's try to charge it, if it's going to work. Yeah. Can you plug it over there? It's not charging. I don't know, but it's not charging. I think I'm going to have to look into that later, but it's not charging. So for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's the adapter that was sent to me. So it's not charging. I had to plug my previous iPhone charger to it, and it works that way. Yeah, so I'm going to have to charge this and set it up. And so basically that's what it looks like, Pacific blue, and we have it here. All right, thank you very much for watching. See ya.